ethical food brand. So our mission is to get animals out of the food system. And the way we're going to do that is to provide easy, delicious, and familiar replacements for traditional pastas and meals. We have two flavors of plant-based vegan ravioli. It's different because we're a taste-driven company, but we're also a value-driven company. So my wife and I, and my wife is the one who does all the flavors and recipes, we realized that in order for us to get more people eating plant-based, it had to be good. It has to become a part of their life. It can't be just a moral obligation. It has to be fun and delicious. So our differentiators are really the taste of the products. We use kind of unusual ingredients. And we're, as I said, an ethical company, so I hope that people make the connection between eating plants and not eating animals. We usually put our customers into three buckets. One of them would be like millennials looking for a quick plant-based food meal. Another heads a household feeding like a flexitarian family that eats vegan, vegetarian, and meat. And then usually like, vegetarians and vegans who are looking for like different formats, flavors, and, options. We're still a startup. We're self-funded. We're a little less than 2 years old, and we're kind of just getting started. We're in a little over 200 retailers. We're distributed regionally by Whole Foods, and we're in Wegmans and Mom's, and a little over 100 natural food independents. The biggest surprise would be retail is difficult. There's a lot of barriers to entry, from co-manufacturing to distribution to merchandising, and I think it's been a surprise about how difficult it is for different kinds of products to actually break into the retail space. We're actually currently looking for our seed round, and we want a strategic partner who can provide us with capital, but also connections to plant-based other plant-based companies. We'd love for somebody who understood our space specifically. We feel like we can communicate with social impact investors because of our animal welfare agenda. And I should mention that we do sponsor rescue farm animals, and in the future each of our products will sponsor a specific animal. So we talk to social impact investors, but also people in the plant-based and CPG space understand us pretty well. Well, I don't think there's a lot of brands out there who are talking specifically about what's broken in the food system. My wife and I are very committed to animals, and we think that the best way to fix the planet and fix people's diets and eat compassionately is simply to provide excellent products that replace traditional products, and that's what we do.